Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT in Trust Wallet. So first, you must know, or you have to check the USDT network and gas. So you must know the network that your USDT is on, like for example, USDT and BEP20, USDT ERC20. So you also need a native chain token for gas, like BNB for BEP20, ETH for ERC20 to pay the fee. So take note that if you send that USDT on the wrong network, like for example, BEP20 to an ERC20 address, your funds will be lost. So you make sure that those are matched. So step number 2 is to get deposit address. So log into your preferred CEX like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase, and go to the deposit section and select USDT and choose the exact same network that your funds are on in the Trust Wallet. Step number 3 is to copy the deposit address. So copy the deposit address generated by the CEX, triple check that network selection on the CEX that matches the network that you plan to send on Trust Wallet. So security check, always check the first and last few characters of the address after passing it. Next is to select USDT. So open your Trust Wallet application, and from the main wallet tab, just tap on the specific USDT coin that you want to sell. Like for example, BEP20 version if that's where your funds are. Next is to send and confirm the transaction. So just tap on send and then paste the CEX address and then enter the amount and tap next to review the network fee and confirm the transaction using your wallet passcode or biometric authentication. Lastly is to sell for fiat and withdraw. So wait for a few minutes for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain and arrive it on your CEX like Binance, Kraken, and etc. So from sell, you use the CEX trade feature to sell your USDT for your local fiat currency like USD and EUR. So in withdraw, go to the CEX withdrawal section and initiate a transfer of the fiat currency to your linked bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!